Sanibona bafethu ngisathanda kuthola umbiko la. So it's rumored that Abdeslam ucoach ubecoacha iMarumo Gallants. Rumors in the streets bathi he is linked with the Orlando Pirates. Yabo, this comes after resignile with iMarumo Gallants. Yabo, samkhumbulayo lo coach bafethu ucoach lo ofikile wazosiza iMarumo Gallants. Mina ngikhumbula kahle iMarumo Gallants ibingenzi kahle bile ezantsi wafika ke lo coach lo walungisa izinto wayisiza iMarumo Gallants yaze yafika even kuma quarter finals eNedbank Cup yabo ingenile right now ku top 8 izolo ukhipha statement yabo le statement lesi sifunde kanje uthi I would like to announce with this press release the end of the adventure with the Marumo Gallants Club yabo it has been a great pleasure to have collaborated with the resources of the club. I would like to thank first of all of my players, my president, as well as the stakeholders of the club who participated from near or far in this mission to save the club without forgetting our magnificent supporters. The people of Bloemfontein will remain forever in my heart. I wish the best to Marumo Gallants as well as to my players. I love you guys. I obviously remain open to any proposal for an ambitious project and determined to take on a new challenge. Yabo ngokwakhe yena ufuna i-challenge entsha. Yabo i-project right. Enikhumbula kahle ucoach lo ade ene-interview noRobben Marawa. Yabo icommentile ke la i-fan yasho uthi hawu kanjani because last night kwishow yaRobben Marawa ade kuwumuntu lo okhuluma kahle bengekho nje izinsolo zokuthi uyashiya le yabo bengingekho izinsolo zokuthi uyashiya but ke uRobben Marawa waphendula ngani waphendula ngalesikali lesi Orlando Pirates iyiphi team enginayo team right now iOrlando Pirates yabo ngifuna uqama kungithusile ukuhamba kwakhe yabo kungithusile ukuhamba kwakhe uMarumo Gallants but ke singesazi noma ozoyijoyina noma ke azayijoyine inezimnyama but ke yena ulinked niMarumo noOrlando Pirates nangu Robben Marawa efa isikali seOrlando Pirates mase ngiyibheka iCV yakhe ngifuqama iCV yakhe akusiyona iCV egculisayo yabo akusiyona iCV le ongayithatha uyibuke yabo yena I'm not saying he's a bad coach, don't get me wrong, he's not a bad coach. Indlela acoach ngakhona uyakwazi ukucoach umjida but ke when you look at iclub enjenge Orlando Pirates I feel like yabo because uma usubheke la club aseka wacoacha waqala ngeAS Nancy I think iclub yase France yabo coach weYouth lapho wayocoacha iB team yeAS Nancy wabi assistant manager waphinde wabuyela futhi ekubeni youth coach yabo wasesuka lapho wale Algeria sesifike eAlgeria wayocoacha wabu assistant manager yeAlgeria yabo iclub le yabo wathi sesuka lapho wayoba imanager yeMaloudia angikwazi ukulipronounce leli gama le kuthiwa iMaloudia mhlawumbe ngangitshela ama comments yabo wathi sesuka lapho wayoba imanager yeLotto FC wasesesuka kwiLotto FC wayo iclub yaseDRC iAS Vita Club ngiyayazi iAS Vita Club bafethu but ke yena ke umjida becoach vele la kuBethu Premiership iCV yakhe nibonile iCV yakhe angazi mhlawumbe wangijajelwa yona ngeCV yakhe ungitshela ukuthi injani yabo sometimes kumele siyibheke lento le abantu abaningi balokubesha ukuthi hayi ulink neOrlando Pirates but ezinye zeindaba fethu kumele sizibuke ngelunye uhlangothi akusiyona Orlando Pirates kuphela engenayo club yabo akusiyona kuphela Orlando Pirates njalo engenawo coach sengithi club akusiyona iPirates kuphela engenawo coach there are many teams la kuBetway engenabo coach mhlambe afuna coach abasha yabo so uma ubheka Orlando Pirates cha thina akhona yabo ama type of coaches esiwafunayo I'm not saying the guy akekho suitable for Orlando Pirates but come on look at the projects esinayo right now I don't think iproject esinayo right now angakwazi ukuyicarrysha yabo I don't think angakwazi ukuyitake over yabo mhlawumbe ngiyibeka kanjalo I don't think unawo ama capabilities of carrying this project esinayo right now yabo there are many coaches we can approach right now but yena I don't think he's that type of coach we can look into and say maybe he has a chance of being the new Orlando Pirates coach yabo because there are many coaches right now that are linked to the Orlando Pirates yabo I've been seeing many people saying Yes, there is uMarco Rose. Marco Rose, I told people about uMarco Rose. I don't think uMarco Rose angakwazi ukucoachisa i-Orlando Pirates because i-Al Ahly yazama ukumrecruiter but ke imali yayingenayo ya-opta for bani uJose Rivera. uMarco Rose uyabiza. I don't think Orlando Pirates ingayikhipha leyo mali, yabo. I don't think singakwazi ukuyikhipha leyo mali, sahlule ukukhokhela abanye ababadlali. But ke Orlando Pirates reconsider lo coach lo, mina ngifuna uqhamanga ngikabili la, yabo, ngikabili kaphela. It's either mase consider lo coach lo mhlambe ukhona esesinayo in mind, yabo, just in case uma engasebenzi lo, yabo, uma engasinikezi lama results esiwadingayo mhlambe uzobekho esekhona esomthola mhlambe waphesheya, because akwazi ukuthi sifuna ucoach one profile yale eEurope kodwa sibe opta for umuntu vele simthole la ku Betway, ocoacha la ku Betway, yabo, phela wase Morocco lo coach lo. Yes, I know une split citizenship nase France but wase Morocco, yabo. Angazi ngempela but mina ngokwami uMjida is not a bad coach because he came in isizini isiphane ndawo kuMarumo Gallants wayisiza iMarumo, yabo. So yeah, I think uMjida angawenza umsebenzi but projects ingamsinda. He's that type of coach ongayicoach iclub but engeyaza last because uma subheka iCV yakhe azikho izinto ezingambheka ukuthi okay, even though engenzi kahle but when you look at his CV kumele simnikeze isikhathi. I don't think lo coach lo coach kanjalo, yabo. Uma asabhede nje kuOrlando Pirates next season, Orlando Pirates I don't think izosichitha isikhathi ekumxosheni, yabo, bangixoshe nje instantly. So coach kanjalo asemdingi because siyadinga ukuwina ama competitions amaningi next season. We don't need any mistakes, yabo. Aswadingi nje ama mistakes amaningi, yabo. So angiboni ukuthi ngaba yenye umqondo right ukuthi appoint umuntu kanjalo. Umuntu it's like it's a experiment, asidinga experiment, yabo. Isizini ya next season asidingi nje experiment the next season. Fana nokuthi sonikeza iSundowns phela ithuba lokuthi liwine futhi ileague. Sinike ithuba leSundowns ukuthi mhlambe licompete kahle futhi kwiChampions League, liwine mhlambe iChampions League neseason, yabo. Kumele nje senze sure ukuthi thina sithola ucoach owazi ukuthi okay, njoba ngifika la isquad sami isikanje abadlali abakanje na into engizoyenza. Singafiki silanda ucoach ozo experiment kuthina na sidinga into kanjalo bafethu, ayikabi, yabo. Sidinga into kanjalo but ke ngangitshela ama comments nizizwa kanjani ngalo coach lo ngokuba linked in Orlando Pirates. Angazi uRobert Marawa uyipostela leyo nto because many people are asking questions now uthi hayibo ngabe ngempela uzoyicoacha in Orlando Pirates lo coach, because ngeke afika akhulume noRobert Marawa kwi-interview mase phele interview eseshaya statement nje esethi uyahamba kwiMarumo Gallants kanti sekushintshipi asazi ke ama team manje asezoya kwi-preseason nje, asezoya kwi-preseason nje. Orlando Pirates yamdinga ucoach ngeziye yodwa kwi-preseason. We need a coach. They need to announce a coach omusha soon, yabo. Maybe next week we might see ama preparations ukuthi announce coach omusha. We might see abanye babantu be releasewa. We don't know, yabo. We don't know kuningi okwenzakalayo right now but ke let's hope izinto zizolunga, yabo. Angazi ukuthi ubazokhethwa but let's hope izinto izolunga. Ungangitshela ama comments bafethu over Sports. Ungakhohlwa subscribe bafethu. Ngiyabonga isupport eninginayo yona nangothando eninginika lona.